Hello everyone, today I am going to show how to delete a repository on your GitHub. For that you have to open your GitHub account. As you are seeing here, I am on my GitHub account. This is the repository that I want to delete now. For that, I am moving towards this setting block, and in this setting block, just scroll down the page and you will get a section named as danger zone. Inside this danger zone, we have the option delete this repository. Just click on that. And in this window, just type the account name / the repository name that you want to delete. So here I want to delete the quiz app repository. Let me type this. After that, just click on this button. I understand the consequences. Delete this repository. That's all. We have done with deleting the repository. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.